Google Translate has just marked 20 years, and the company is celebrating it by improving your pronunciation. Welcome to GadInsider, your place for the latest tech news. Google is celebrating Translate's 20th birthday by launching a new feature called Pronunciation Practice, which the company says is one of the most requested features for the product. The feature is only rolling out on Android at the moment for English, Spanish, and Hindi in the US and India. If it's available for you, you'll see a button at the bottom of the app that says Practice, which gives you the option to either pronounce what you've translated or to listen to how it's actually pronounced by native speakers. If you choose the pronounce option, Translate will listen to you speak and then use artificial intelligence to analyze how you said the words to provide instant feedback. It will then show you a phonetic spelling of how specific words should be pronounced. In the example Google provided, for instance, the speaker pronounced the Spanish word for juice as jugo with the English J sound instead of with the Spanish J sound, so Translate spells it out as Hugo in its pronunciation suggestion. Google said around a third of users on mobile use Translate to practice speaking and listening in order to be able to hold real-world conversations with people across language barriers, making this new feature a very useful addition. The company also revealed other stats about the app. Apparently, the app now supports over 250 languages, including some endangered and indigenous ones, and has over 1 billion monthly users who've been translating over 1 trillion words every month. So next time you get confused about speaking a different word, you know where to go for help. For more updates, subscribe to GadInsider, like and share the video, and don't forget to press the bell icon so you never miss any update.